Time for a special Thanksgiving treat for the goats. Oh, goats! There's some way back there. All right, well, whoever's here is gonna get it in a good way. We've got honey locust pods. Yum, yum. It's sweet. I've tasted it. It's sweet. Tastes good. Gooey honey flavor on the inside. Kind of smoky honey. Here they come, some of them. That one coming out is named Honey. Honey, get some honey locusts. Here they come. Here comes Petey. Come on, it's Thanksgiving meal. Hi, Petey. Your first Thanksgiving. Hey, Bullwinkle. Get some. Is it too big for you, Petey? Here. Yum. There's Tilly. There's Olive. Mayapple. Columbo. Bullwinkle or Winks. There's Millie. There's Honey, and behind her is Wendy, the youngest one, about 9 weeks old now. And here comes Henry. And there's Blair. And there's Blaze. And there's Tucker. And there's Nutmeg. She's Honey's mom. There's Honey. There you go, Blair. Love you, girl. I gotcha. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.